Welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn about transdermal drug delivery system. Basically the factors which affect the drug penetration. So the factors which affect the drug penetration, there are two types. One is biological factor and the second one is physicochemical factor. So in biological factors, it includes skin conditions, skin age, blood flow, regional skin site, skin metabolism, species difference. And in physicochemical properties, it includes skin hydration, temperature and pH, diffusion coefficient, drug concentration, partition coefficient, molecular size and shape, and solubility, ionization, and melting point. Let us first see the biological factors. The first factor is the age of the skin. It is seen that the skin of adults and young ones is more permeable than that of the older patients. But there is no dramatic difference. Children show toxic effects because of the greater surface area per unit body weight. These potent steroids, boric acid and hexachlorophene, have produced severe side effects. The second factor is skin condition. The acids and alkalis, many solvents like chloroform, methanol, they damage the skin cells and promote penetration. The disease state of the patient, it also alters the skin conditions. The intact skin is better barrier, but the above mentioned conditions affect penetration. Stripping of the stratum corneum can also increase skin permeability. The next factor is blood supply. The changes in the peripheral circulation can affect transdermal absorption. The next factor is regional site, skin site. The thickness of the skin, nature of stratum corneum, and density of the appendages, they vary from site to site. So these factors affect significantly penetration. The next factor is skin metabolism. The skin metabolizes steroids, hormones, chemical carcinogens, and some drugs. So skin metabolism also determines the efficiency of drug permeated through the skin. The next factor is species differences. The skin thickness, density of the appendages, and keratinization of the skin, it varies from species to species. So it affects the penetration of the drug as well. The next group of factors is the physicochemical factors, in that the first factor is skin hydration. So when in contact with water, the permeability of the skin increases significantly. So hydration is most important factor increasing the permeation of the skin. So use of humectant is done in transdermal delivery system, because the humectant, it absorbs the moisture from the atmosphere and it will give it to the skin. So because of this the skin will get hydrated and the drug penetration will increase. The next factor is temperature and pH. The permeation of the drug, it increases tenfolds with temperature variation. The diffusion coefficient decreases as temperature falls. So weak acids and weak bases, they dissociate depending on the pH and pK or pKb values. The proportion of unionized drug, it determines the drug concentration in the skin. Thus temperature and pH are important factors affecting drug penetration. The next factor is diffusion coefficient. So penetration of drug depends on diffusion coefficient of drug. At a constant temperature, the diffusion coefficient of the drug depends on properties of the drug, diffusion medium, and interaction between them. The next factor is drug concentration. The flux is proportional to the concentration gradient across the barrier, that is across the skin, and concentration gradient will be higher if the concentration of drug will be more across the barrier. The next factor affecting is partition coefficient. So for molecules with intermediate partition coefficient having log K in between 1 to 3, and for highly lipophilic molecules having log K more than 3, the intercellular route will be almost the pathway used to traverse the stratum corneum. However, these molecules, a further consideration is the ability to partition out of the stratum corneum into the aqueous viable epidermal tissues. For more hydrophilic molecules having log K less than 1, the transcellular route probably predominates. The next factor is the molecular size and shape. Firstly, the drug absorption is inversely related to the molecular size. and small molecules they penetrate faster than the larger ones. A second major factor in calculating the flux of a material through human skin is the size of the molecule. However, for simplicity, the molecular weight is generally taken as an approximation of molecular size. It has been suggested that an inverse relationship existed between the transdermal flux and molecular weight of the molecule. However, most conventional therapeutic agents that are selected as candidates for transdermal delivery, they tend to lie within a narrow range of molecular weight 100 to 500 daltons. The other factors which affect drug penetration are other molecular properties that can affect the drug delivery through the skin. Drug binding is a factor that should be borne in mind when selecting appropriate candidates. Interactions between drug substances and the tissue can vary from hydrogen bonding to weak van der Waals forces, and the effect of drug binding, if any, on the flux across the tissue will vary depending on the penetrant. So, this was all about factors affecting drug penetration. Thank you for watching.